I'm going to show you a little of the undercover work I did when I was developing these apps, but this is not a tutorial. I'm in Unity, I have the AR camera active, and I have my different card suits because I wanted something that everybody could get easy access to. And you create this within a scene. So the scene that I'm on right now is my card suit scene. And you can play it when you click the play button. But for now, I want to show you how I kind of put these objects here. And I'm going to go from the 2D mode to the 3D mode. So here are my objects. Now, let's see if I can do it this way. Okay, here's my clubs. And let me move me out of the way here. You'll see that this is my target object. If I move over to the one that has the barn on top of it, I guess I have to do it this way, I'll see that that one is active. So what you do is place these out on a scene in this 2D, 3D environment. And then you find the objects and you hover them over it. And as I said in the other tutorial, you actually have a number of objects that are available for free, and that's where I got these. Now I did have to go to Udemy to get the basic tutorials because the ones in the summer of 2018 when I had developed these, couldn't find them in something like Lynda. But Lynda was a tool that I kept on going back to because the tutorials that I had from Udemy often lacked background information. So I wound up going back into a number of these tutorials. And these are available to Empire State Commerce students, so I think you find they could be helpful. So as I was teaching myself, I went back and forth between Udemy and sometimes I went to Lynda. And I think you'll notice here, when I play it, I often played everything at double speed because you had the text at the bottom, so I didn't have to listen to it at a particularly slow speed. So I think if you're really interested in learning how to do AR today, where you don't have a lot of pre-designed tools, you can use a combination of going into something like Udemy, which gives you very basics, coupling it with lynda.com, and doing a lot of experimentation. And I had fun with it. But I think, it's another issue as to how you bring this into your particular student or client base. But it takes a bit to learn, but then you have a lot of abilities after you've spent your time getting some skills underneath your belt. So thank you.